Come test drive the 2020 Silverado MD. The Chevy Silverado MD provides all the necessary functionality and power that you'll need for your medium-duty needs. Better yet, customize it to make it work perfectly for you. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, turbocharged, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, auxiliary audio input, MP3 player. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.